How to use Replenish Oxidizer. In this video, we will use the example of Leisure Time Replenish Shock Oxidizer. Leisure Time Replenish is a 4-in-1 blend that combines the power of Oxone with chlorine to shock, oxidize, buffer, and clarify spa water. It is ideal for spas with mineral systems and is compatible with chlorine and bromine sanitizers. Replenish is completely soluble, dissolves quickly, and keeps spa water clear and inviting. Routine usage directions. Step 1. Add 1 1/2 ounces of Replenish for every 300 gallons of spa water uniformly over the surface of the water. Step 2. Apply when the spa is not in use. Each ounce of Replenish will raise the free chlorine concentration by about 2 ppm in 300 gallons of water. Step 3. Test the sanitizer level prior to re-entry to ensure the residual sanitizer concentration is between 1-3 ppm. Useful tips. For most spas with normal bathing loads, Replenish should be added after every use and once each week for maintenance. Always add Replenish with pump and filter operating to ensure complete mixing and good circulation. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa for us. Bye.